Hello, this is Codod. Welcome back. So in the last video we learned about how can we check if all the fields of a form are present by using this isSet function and a post super global variable. And in this video we want to make sure that all these fields have a value, because a user may fill the username and leave the other three empty. But before doing that, go back to register.view.php and change this username field type to text. Now, in order to check if a string is empty or not, we have a very simple function, and that is empty. And I want to use this in combination with my isSet function. As you can see, I have added the other three if statements for the other three fields from our form. So use the OR operator and then simply call this function empty. Let's see, empty, and then the first field, the username. So how can we read this? If this is false or this is empty, then store this error message, just like that. We have to add this for the other three fields. So let's see. So we have the email, we have the password, and we have the password confirm. Save, go back to the browser, click on sign up, and of course only the first message is showing up. Back to our register.view.php, we actually have to use a for each because our errors element is actually an array. So for each, let's see, session, let's see, errors as error. Once again, this PHP template syntax, and for each. Perfect. And now we can show this paragraph, but change this to error. Save. Let's go back to the browser, click on sign up, and all the validation errors are showing up. Now I want to show you something really interesting. If we add only empty spaces by pressing the space key, just add as many as you want, and then click on sign up, the error for the username field is missing. That is because these empty keys are actually seen as a string, but by our as a string that is not empty by our empty function. To remove the empty spaces, we have another useful function, and that is stream. So inside our empty function, call this stream function and then pass the value, in our case post username. So basically this function returns the empty spaces from the beginning and the end of a string, and we have to do the same for each field. Trim, and password confirm. Well, we do not have to do all these checks for password confirm, but why not? Save, refresh, and now if I add empty spaces and click on sign up, you can see that please fill the username field, a message is showing up. And with this we are done. See you in the next